Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have some Beebeecraft products to share with you all today. In case you're not familiar with Beebeecraft, they're an online craft supply store. They have lots of beads and findings and jewelry making supplies. If you have a channel and you have at least 100 subscribers, you can apply to be in their YouTube program and get products and do tutorials for them. I'll post a link in the description box below so you can check that program out if you're interested. They offer free shipping for orders over $25. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa10, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the Beebeecraft homepage. The coupon will save you 10% off your order if you make an order with them. And I'll post links to all these products that I'm going to show you in the description box below too. So I'm going to open this and sort it out. As usual, by the time I order and by the time I get it, I've forgotten. I don't remember exactly what I got because I have very short memory span. So I'm going to open this up and see what I've got in here and sort it out, and I'll be back. Okay, I tried to get mostly findings this time because I got a whole lot of beads in my last Beebeecraft order, but I couldn't resist and I did get some beads. So I'm going to start with the findings. First here I've got these lobster clasps, and I wanted to show you, well, I'm trying to open the wrong side, I guess. I'm not. I'm going to show you the little box they come in, and they had plastic around the box, and then they were in a little baggie inside the box, and I took them out. So everything that you get from Beebeecraft is always really well packaged. It's not going to get broken or anything get loose or anything because they have plastic around it so much. And I got these because I used just a whole lot of lobster clasps, and I'm getting low so on the silver ones. So these are Beebeecraft 100 pieces, grade A 304 stainless steel lobster clasps. They're 12 by 7 millimeter, and they were $8.09 for the 100 pieces. So they're just some basic little lobster clasp, but that's a really good price for 100 of them, and that's the size I like mostly. I kind of switch around and use different sizes of lobster clasps sometimes, but I think I use this size the most. So I've got 100 of those in there. And then next I've got some alloy enamel pendants, daisies, mixed color platinum. They're platinum finish, and there are 100 of these. They're 16 by 13 by 2 millimeter, and they were $5.03. And I went ahead and picked out all the different colors so I could show you all the different colors that they have in here, because there's so many and they're all piled on top of each other there, and it's hard to see. So there's 6 different colors. I got yellow, black, purple, that's blue, probably a teal blue, that's white, and that's pink. And those are just really pretty. They're not double-sided, but they would be, I mean, they're calling them pendants, but I think I would use them like maybe on the bottom of an earring or something. And I've got plenty here. I've got 100. Almost didn't fit in my little dish here. And I think I said they were $5.03 for the 100 of them. So those are really pretty. I really like those. And then next, I've got some Honey Handy Tibetan style chandelier component links, teardrop, antique silver, lead and cadmium free. They're 28 by 15 by, they're 28 by 15.5 by 1 millimeter, and there are 20 pieces, and they were $1.61. And I really like these little chandelier components. You can use them to make earrings or a pendant or whatever you want to do. And these are not double-sided. They're kind of a little different on the back there. But these are really pretty. And I have 20 of them here. And they've got 5 little loops on the bottom there that you can hang beads off of. And then next I have Honey Handy brass chandelier component links, nickel free, real 18 karat gold plated, teardrop shaped, 35.5 by 22 by 1 millimeter, and there are 5 of these, and they were $2.87. And these are just really, really pretty. They're a little bit bigger than those others. And these are, as far as I can tell, these are double-sided. And they've got that little loop on the inside there where you could hang something on the inside if you wanted to. And they have 5 little loops on the bottom. So those are really pretty. I know there's 5 of them. That's an odd amount if you wanted to make earrings, but you could make a pendant and then to go on a necklace and a pair of earrings to match, and then you'd have 2 more to make earrings with, maybe in another project. So those are really pretty. And then next, I've got a case of, let me zoom back out a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Panda Hall Elite, 720 pieces, 6 styles, 4 colors, Tibetan style alloy spacer beads. And they were $8.46. And I'm going to have to open this and take them out. I just wanted to show you it's got plastic around the box. And then they're in a box. And then inside the box they're in little individual baggies. So I'm going to have to take all this off and take them out and so you can see them better. So I'll do that and I'll be back. Okay, I got all these out of their little baggies and in my little container here. And I've got this kind here. This little spacer bead. And I've got it in silver, gold, copper, and bronze. And then I've got this kind. Yep. And I've got it in silver, gold, copper, and bronze. And then I've got these. And I've got those in silver, gold, copper, and bronze. Then I've got these. And I've got those in silver, gold, copper, and bronze. And then I've got these. And I've got those in silver, copper, and bronze. And then I have these that are not exactly the same in gold. I can stop dropping them, keep them up on my finger here. So they're not the same as these, but and those are just in gold. And then I've got these. Figure out a way to hold it there so you can see it. And I've got those in silver, gold, copper, and bronze. They're a whole lot like these. They're just smaller. So I've got a whole lot of spacers to work with here for a while. I like getting findings like this in a mixed set that has all the different finishes. It makes it really handy to have them in all the different finishes. So next I have some beads. So hold on, I'll get them. Okay, these are the beads I got, and I know these look the same, but they're not exactly the same. These are faceted, transparent, electroplated glass beads, golden plated oval, mixed color, 7 by 4 by 3.5 millimeter. There's about 50 to 51 pieces on each strand, and each strand is about 13.5 to 14 inches. And they were $5.52 for 10 strands. So I've got 10 strands here. And I got some red ones and some blue ones. And these look like they're just gold. And there's another blue strand. There's green. There's red. And that kind of looks like amethyst to me. And then there's another green and another gold. So those are just really, really pretty. I just couldn't resist these. And then these are just a little bit bigger. And they look like they're a little bit flatter to me. These are a little bit more round as far as the shape. But these are flatter. They're Honey Handy electroplated glass bead strands. It says edge plated. They're gold edged. Oval mixed color 7 by 4.5 by 4 millimeter. And there's about 50 pieces on each strand. And they're about 13 inches long, each strand is. And there are 10 strands for $7.22. So, got some green ones and some blue ones, I think. Might be more like a teal, I guess. I don't know. And there's a blue, red, and then there's all the same colors. So those are really pretty. And I think I can put those with these. And they are just a little bit different size. These are a little bit bigger. And there are 10, I think I said there are 10 strands of these for $7.22. So that's everything. So hold on, let me see if I can get it all together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything I've gotten in my last Beebeecraft order. It took some time to arrange everything so I could get it all together in one picture, but I think I've got everything in there. Like I said, if you decide you want to make an order with Beebeecraft, that coupon code will save you 10% off your order. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. I also sell gift cards and some extra beads and findings that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.